Hello guys, in this video I am going to introduce you to one of the best models I have found personally which are great in story writing. When it comes to story writing, you simply cannot use any text generation model. Yes, you can use ChatGPT 4, it will work fine, but when it comes to open source models or any model other than ChatGPT, then it is quite hard to find any good model which will do the story writing, because there are two things which are required when it comes to story writing. One is the huge context length of that model, because for story writing you would need that. Plus, the model should have really outstanding reasoning abilities. For example, I have tried out Mistral 7 billion, which is one of my favorite models, but because it has just context length of 16k tokens, which is around 4 to 8,000 words. So, for example, if I copy any of the example story in it and try to create a prompt, it simply ignores it. So, that is why either I have the choice of RAG, which is retrieval augmented generation, because then I can save my text into database and then query things from it using the language model. When I ask it questions such as what did that character do, and can you mimic that character and do this thing in this paragraph in this line, and then model would have the context. For example, if I am on the in the last chapter of the story and I want the model to go back to the third chapter and get the context, if the context length of that model is small, then it won't work. So that is why I would need a huge context length, but at the same time I need a model which is in smaller size, because I have a 1 GPU of 16 GB VRAM and I don't have beefy systems to run these 70 billion 30 billion models. So that is why I have uh, come to the conclusion in on the basis of my own experiences that this model G6 billion 200k is by far the best model in terms of story writing, because this G series of model, they come in various versions. For example, 6B series models are suitable for personal and academic use, and then they have 34 billion series model which are suitable again for commercial uses. The default context window is 4K, but you can increase it, as you can see in this G6 billion 200k context window. And then another great thing about this model is that it uses pre-trained tokens around 3 trillion, and the training data is also quite up to date, which I guess from June 2023. Now, these Yi series models adopt the same model architecture as Llama, but they are not derivatives of Llama. That is one point to remember. But they are grounded in transformer architecture. So, because we all know that Llama has become a new cornerstone for the majority of the SOTA model due to its excellent stability, reliable convergence, and robust compatibility. And that is where Yi takes all the best things from Llama and then capitalize on them. Now, Yi series models, as I said, that they do not use Llama weights, so they are not derivative of it. So that is why Yi has independently created its own high quality training data set, efficient training pipeline, and robust training infrastructure entirely from the ground up. Okay, so now let's see how can we install this Yi model locally, and then how can we create the stories from it. The tool which I'm going to use is my trusted LM Studio. If you don't know what it is, then I will drop the link in video's description to get it installed. I already have installed it and launched it. On top left, go to the home page of this LM Studio and search for G6 billion 200k. Press enter, and then you will see that 3 people have created the quantized version of it. From the right hand side, select any quantize. I would suggest that go with the biggest quantization, or better yet, if you can install it in full. But I'm just, for the purpose of this video, I have just downloaded the quantized version, as you can see here. Let me show you the file, and now let me load the model by clicking on these 3 dots, and then maybe I will just offload some of the 20 layers to GPU. I have 1 GPU, and let me load the model here. Let's wait for it to load. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create 2 paragraphs of the story. So in the first paragraph, I'm introducing a girl, Iliana, I'm describing her character, I am describing where she lives and all that setting. And then in the second paragraph, I am introducing another character, which is a boy who is a shy baker named Thomas. So, what I want to do, I want this model to spin up a story between these two and see how they fell in love. So, I'm just going to say, please write a story, or maybe please write a love story of Ileana and Thomas. Their characters are described below. Please keep the setting of story as described. Now let me press enter. Let's see what this model does here. And you can see how cleverly and how nicely this model has built upon what I have written above, that it has taken it one notch up, and then it is saying that Ileana and Thomas developed a deep connection that transcended time and distance. Yeah. I'll say introduce a villain in this story. Yeah, villain. So I'm saying introduce a villain in this story, write a paragraph where this villain tries to separate Thomas and Ileana. So let's see. So there you go. So it has kept the role of Thomas, who was a baker, and then he is, the model is introducing this figure. There you go. And you can see that it is nicely saying that the figure on the other side of the glass chuckled coldly, because that is the character of villain. And then I'll just ask it, okay, provide a happy ending to the story. There you go. So you can see that not only this model can spin up stories, but it can also keep the setting, it can also keep the all characters, and it is quite performant, and I have found out that quality is pretty nice. And you can with the full version of this model, not the contest one, you can even put the whole stories and ask it to alter them, change them, and it will keep the whole context. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or any thoughts, let me know. Or if you think that there is any other better model which can be a better story writer, let me know and I'll be happy to review it and post a video about it. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network. Thanks for watching.